everybody. So I thought I'd sit down and have a conversation with you all. It's been a minute. So Christmas is coming up and I had some plans this coming week. I am going to try to film something every day leading up to Christmas. And I know other people have done this. It's called Vlogmas, I think. I wouldn't necessarily say that this is Vlogmas for me, but for me it's a challenge. So I am going to attempt to put something up, whether it be a recipe, whether it be an update of some of the other talky talk type videos I've done. I'm sitting in front of our Christmas tree right now. Hold on, let's see. That is our snowman and part of our Christmas tree. Yes, I am filming on my phone again. I wasn't planning on doing a video. When I do, I usually make sure the battery is charged and the camera is ready to go. Today I didn't do that and the battery is not charged. So, you know, in comes the phone. So one of the things I wanted to talk about with you, and I wanted to do this before December 1st, and that's because I want to kind of give you a chance to actually check this stuff out. I have come across a YouTube channel that I have watched probably for the past month, and I really enjoy this channel. Her name is The Secret Life of Vivian, and if you haven't seen any of her videos, please go check her out. Relatively in my demographics, the most people that, you know, watch my videos and stuff are between my age and maybe a little bit older. And I am going to be 43 in a couple of weeks. So that's about roughly the demographic that usually views my channel. So how I come across her video was like probably how anybody else does. It came up as a recommendation, and I checked it out. She does a lot of reviews on as seen on TV products and a lot of dollar store products, a lot of Wish products. And the reason why I'm saying you should check this out now is because I used to work in retail, and I know in the past few years a lot of people gravitated towards those products. And you know, they would constantly ask us, you know, how does this work? How does that work? We never really knew until after Christmas how a product was actually going to work, until, you know, the returns started coming in. You know, people saying that certain products were not working or they were just broken right out of the box. And that happens sometimes. Sometimes it's a lot of hit and miss with as seen on TV products or products that people buy on the internet. And, you know, a few companies are guilty of not being 100% truthful with their products, whether it be the product size, whether it be the product in general. And so what she does is she buys these products and she tests them the way the infomercial says or the way that they're trying to explain how to use them on the box. And she's very comical. Her name is Vivian, and I will link her channel in the description bar, but definitely go check her out, because before you make those purchases, you will know if it's any of the products that she's testing, obviously. You will know how well they work or how not well they work, and if it's going to be a waste of money or not. And a lot of people gravitate towards the as seen on TV products because it's for the people who have just about everything that may make your life simpler, or at least they advertise that way. So she's one of the channels, like I said, that I have watched. I'm going to come out with a list of YouTube channels that I'm currently watching. I will tell you a couple of them right now, because a couple of them right off the top of my head, I've been a subscriber for many years, before I even started doing YouTube videos. And one in particular, she is the reason why I even got motivated to do videos. And her name is Noreen, and she's over at Noreens Kitchen. And I was a subscriber of hers when she was under a different name. I believe it was Atticus 9799. I'm not 100% sure on those numbers, but at the end of her name. But I have been a fan of hers for a while, and her content is still very new, very fresh, and I'm sure some of my subscribers have come over here from her channel because she has done recipes of mine. So I've been in correspondence throughout the years on and off with her, and she's a very, very, let's just put it this way, I have a Wayne's World situation every time she might comment on one of my videos, or she may do a recipe of mine where it's like I'm not worthy because the food that I put out is probably not in the same caliber with her at all, you know, but she's definitely, she's been a good source for me to learn and grow from when it comes to cooking and just, you know, the general YouTube stuff. And I'm sorry if this is shaky. My arm's getting tired from holding the phone. Let's see. Another one that I have followed for a very long time was Shane Dawson. And I followed him right in the beginning of him doing a YouTube channel, and I saw his Jenny Craig videos, and I saw, you know, him just being, you know, like the rest of us. And it wasn't until his content got a little weird for me. My oldest child was about 5 or 6, and my computer was right in the main focal point of the house. So some of his content I really didn't feel was appropriate for her to see, and she was always curious about what I was doing, what I was watching, and I just had to unsubscribe from him for a while. And ironically, it wasn't until 2 or 3 years ago that she was the one, because now she's older, that got me back into watching his videos again. And it was his conspiracy videos that I got sucked into, and then, you know, the rabbit hole effect of all these other suggested videos comes about because of that. So, and then there's 2 other people. And like I said, I didn't follow very many people back then because there wasn't really a lot of YouTubers, people that just put out videos. There wasn't a lot of that. 2 other people that I followed, they were beauty gurus. They're very, very young, and they filmed their videos, you know, I think when they were still in high school. And what impressed me was they were so young, and to this day, their beauty tutorials and stuff are still relevant, and they're still, I don't want to say popular, but they're still relevant today. And that was Elle and Blair Fowler. They went under different names back then. I think Blair was Juicy Star 07, and Elle, I can't remember. I think it was like Glitter something, Glitter. I can't remember. It was so long ago. But those are about the top 4 that I used to follow. And ironically, I still follow each and every one of them to this day. I think Vivian has that type of staying power because she's hilarious, she's very entertaining, and, you know, she puts out useful information as far as, you know, before you purchase these products, maybe you should, you know, view her channel to see if she did a review on it, and she will show you exactly through her demonstrations and everything like that how a product will hold up and how they won't. So with that all being said, I think I am gonna go. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and remember, I am going to try to film maybe not every day, maybe every other day, but I have a few ideas already planned for next week, so I will see you then. And in case you follow, well, in case you noticed, there's a community tab now, and over Thanksgiving, I think I was given the opportunity to use that. I got the email from YouTube, and they told me that I could use this community tab now, and I used it, and I put out all kinds of pictures and all kinds of stuff, letting you know how our Thanksgiving was going. And, you know, a lot of the stuff I wanted to film, but I really couldn't because there was a lot of activity in and out of the house. There was, you know, kids and husbands going here, and I would ask Aaron if he could run to the store because I forgot something. You know, the usual type of stuff, and a lot of things I really wasn't planning on making but made, like everybody else. And if you're creeped out by him, I apologize. My dad gave him to me many years ago, and so he's just a Christmas focal point, like the Christmas tree. I don't know what the kids decided to name him, but they decided this year to put his scarf around his hat, so there's that. Anyway, I'm gonna go, and I hope you all have a wonderful holiday, and I will be doing some videos like I said. So until next time, guys, live, laugh, and love. And yes, there will be more recipes coming. There will be more cooking videos coming. There will be more chatty updates coming, and there will be some fun things thrown in there too. So take care. Bye-bye.